Hi everyone, in this video we will learn how to insert an image in an Excel cell. Step 1. Insert the image. First, go to the Insert tab, click on Pictures, then select this device. Choose your image and click Insert. Now adjust the image so that its corners fit inside the cell borders. Step 2. Fix image with cell hierarchy. By default, if you resize the cell, the image does not adjust with it. To fix this, right-click on the image and select Size and Properties. In the panel, go to Properties and select Move and Size with Cells. Step 3. Test the result. Now when you resize the cell, the image will resize accordingly. Hide the row, the image will also be hidden. Insert a new column, the image will stay properly aligned with its cell. Extra tip, you can hold the Alt key while dragging the image to snap it perfectly within the cell boundaries. And that's how you can insert and properly align an image inside an Excel cell. To learn more useful Excel tutorials, watch my other videos. Thanks for watching and subscribe.